At Workplace Consulting, we specialize in the design, delivery and support of solutions based on IBM Lotus and WebSphere technologies. Today we are presenting iSite, our CMS solution based on Domino, which will present two production sites. This one here is Erkelkrim, the National Resource Center for the Police and Authorities. This site is a news-based site. See here we have some accessibility options added, some fading in and fading out techniques. Here, if we click on the About Erkelkrim button, we see some visual effects on the top here. And also, please notice the friendly URLs. This is Hamare, the municipality site. This site has more of a service focus rather than a news focus. We click on the post lists here. They've also chosen here to add Web 2.0 social media interactions such as share on Facebook. We also see an activity calendar. And again, our friendly URLs. We can have multilingual pages. Now let's do a search. This is a standard Domino search. Note the search results here are also sorted by tagging. We will look at these tagging options in our demo site later. The results are nicely presented here without any need for third-party search plugins or add-ons. This is Din Kommune, our demo site for iSite, to show our flexible solution and intuitive user interface. Clicking on modules here, these are the modules that are available in our iSite solution. We will now publish an article in this solution to show you iSite. All iSite administration is done from the web. We will now go to the web URL for the login to log in here to the web admin. On the left-hand side here, we notice we have a menu here, and our first top hierarchy menu here are all the iSites we have access to. Underneath in resources, we have access to our resource archive for pictures, files, links, etc. At the bottom we have a settings option, which gives us more complex access control, style sheets and templates. Notice the Java-based framework gives us the ability to use more modern and stylish menus. At the top we can search for articles based on author, content or title. Again, notice the menus on the left-hand side here. Here we are now viewing my page, the dashboard. Here we can see the last changes people have made. We have added avatars here so that we are seeing people and not just names. To the right here we also have a couple of Java applets. This applet here shows us visitor statistics based in terms of unique visitors. We will now create a new article under the modules menu that we were looking at previously. These menus are context sensitive. Create new here. We will now give our article a title, microblogging. You can also provide an ingress here. Note that this field here can be expanded. This is the main body of the rich text editor, which we have replaced with the CK editor to enhance our solution. Advanced copy-paste features work very well from common Office suites here. We will just copy this from a Word document. Here we are, we have pasted in. We've also pasted in a table, and note that this is still editable after pasting. It's not just a picture being pasted in here. We can also maximize our rich text editor here, giving us more space to work on. This is, after all, a content solution where the content is in focus. We can add images here. We click on our image icon. We can select an image that's already in our archive. Expand our images here. Note the file size on the pictures here. When we click on a picture, we get added information on the right hand side. We have the option of inline editing of metadata for the pictures, such as the photographer and a description. Here we see predefined server scaled sizes of the photo. We will choose this one. We'll provide some alternate text for accessibility options. And here, if we change the width of our photo, the height changes with it. We'll add some margins here, and we shall left justify this picture. Just check to make everything's okay. Okay, there we have our picture in our article, and we can also resize it by dragging here also. We'll now minimize the rich text editor with one click again, and we'll see here on our right hand side we have some common standard values for content management here, sorting key, and we can also here provide the URL text for the article, making it simple and very friendly. Here we see we have other tabs here to provide more information. This here is tags and keywords for search optimization. Remember the previous search we did on the Hamadai Community site to see the search tags? This is done here. We can also provide further information from the other tabs. Note that we haven't saved our document yet, and we will leave that open while we go to the resource archive from the menu on the left hand side. Here we can select and drag images from our computer and upload them to the resource archive. We've selected these images, we'll drag them over. And while we're still in the uploader, we have the ability to add metadata to the photo from here. We also have the option of some basic editing. We've uploaded a picture with good image quality taken with a digital camera. Here we are. Now we can select a focus area of this picture that we want to use. We'll select that like that. Click crop on that, and we'll just save that. Notice that that's been saved and the file size has changed dramatically. Right, we'll then go and upload our images. When we upload, the server automatically saves 4 different sizes of the image. So it's server-side scaling here. We can preview the different image sizes by clicking on the link. Here we see the original photo, which is a large and detailed photo. Right, let's go back to our open article that we are writing here now. And we've decided we're going to use one of the images that we uploaded to the archive. Click on our image archive. Select from the archive. We'll go and select our Lotus photo that we've edited. Again, provide some alternative text. Add some margins, and we'll center that one. Okay there. There's it added to our article. We'll just resize that. And now we're saving it for the first time. We'll go to our Dean Community site and we'll refresh that. And our article should appear. There we go. Click on the Read More button just to view our article. Thank you for viewing iSite. iSite uses Notes Domino with X Pages and a Java framework. iSite is owned and developed in its entirety by Workplace Consulting.